What is up, guys? It's your boy 2J333, man. This video, how to replace your social security card. We're going to touch briefly on this subject. So if your social security card is lost or stolen, there's two ways to do it. One, go to your local social security office, or by visiting. You can visit also online and try and get it online. So you need one for an employer or something, getting a job, you're going to need that. So you're limited to only three replacements of the card per year, and a lifetime only 10. I did not know this either. There are some exceptions, like if you have a name change or something like that. If you have a name change, then you can you can do that again. Doesn't count towards a 10 basically. So usually you're gonna need some other type of documentations to prove, obviously, that you are you before getting your social security card. So you're gonna need your citizenship proof that you are a United States citizen, such as a birth certificate or your passport. You must also show proof of your age, like if you have your hospital birth records, you know what I'm saying, passport, religious record, maybe before the age of 5, showing your date of birth. Or if you have, also you need to prove your identity. I'm tired right now, that's why I'm like, I can't speak. But yeah, if you have a driver's license, government ID card, that'll help you. You're gonna need to show your ID. So you could use driver's license, ID, passport, school ID, military ID, health insurance card, not a Medicare card. So yeah, all of them have to be up to date. All right. They will not accept expired documentation. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned something. Like, subscribe, share, links in the description. Peace out.